Nomadic.
At yun nga mga Juan, this is our photo shoot. Iyo, no? So ayun na nga mga Juan, katapos lang namin mag-rides ng Damami and then Transformers.
Yeah.
So how's the experience, Insan?
Napakasaya, ewan ko, breathtaking, very curious, tapos sobrang enjoy guys ng experience na to sa akin.
So next floor namin ng State of Fun, nagpunta kami ng cable car.
Cable car, which is first time kong na-experience yung cable car. Very enjoyed kasi overlooking yung buong Sentosa. So ang ganda experience.
Yeah. So yun, tatapusin muna namin yung vlog na to. So abangan nyo yung episode 3, in which is tour natin si Insan sa may mga Instagrammable spots
Tomorrow
ng Singapore. In this last episode, we will take you on some of the Instagrammable places in Singapore with an exciting city bus tour. And there's no other way to wrap it up than to experience Jewel Changi with its epic waterfall. I'm your Nomadic Juan, and this is Bartender TikTokers ng Elyu, Singapore Trip, Episode 3. Yo! What's up mga Juan? And welcome to another video. So this is episode 3 ng ating vlog with Bartender TikTokers ng Elyu, Singapore trip. So today is episode 3 already and 2 days more to go.
Actually, this is our my fifth day of exploring Singapore.
Yes, 5th day of exploring Singapore.
Yes. So far, dami na nating napupuntahan, dami natin na-explore. Super ganda ng mga pinapakita ni Nomadic pa ng mga places dito sa Singapore. So very worth it yung pagpunta natin dito. So may mga ilan pa tayong mga destinations na pupuntahan.
Yeah. So today ang agenda natin is pupunta tayo ng Instagrammable places ng Singapore and then city bus tour. Kailangan ma-experience yung city bus tour kasi itutour ka nun sa buong Singapore. Hindi naman buong Singapore pero yung mga parang tourist spots lang ng Singapore. So bago yun, kakain muna tayo. Dito kami sa may traditional hawker ng Singapore sa mga baba ng block. So papa-experience natin sa kanya yung mga traditional na breakfast ng Singapore. Yan. So we have siomai. At ito naman yung kaya toast bread nila. And this is char siu pao. At syempre, yung iced coffee. Yun. So, kain muna kami. And keep on watching guys.
Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the park.
Tourista mode on. Oh, wait, natatarang ko.
How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay.
At yun, so katapos lang namin mag-picture sa may Fort Canning spiral staircase. At sobrang haba ng pila, mga Juan. So worth it ba?
Oh, worth it. Sana all pinipilahan.
Oh, sana
Advice lang sa inyo, pag pupunta kayo dito sa Fort Canning,
Fort Canning.
dapat may patience kayo para mag-antay ng pila kasi sobrang haba talaga ng pila.
Yo, sana all pinipilahan.
Pero hindi na tayo nag-chase.
We don't chase anymore. We are
Bistrot.
Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
Is gwapo mga guys, kahit sobrang init, basta makakuha lang ng magandang photo sa IG. Yo, punas sama.
Sightseeing.
Try to be cool, even wear that shirt you wanted to. My friends think I'm lame. Since I met you, I am not the same.
3-course meal tayo ngayon. Yamanin.
Kaya manin, may pa-champagne pa siya.
Kaya,
Tikman natin.
cheers yan, San. Cheers. Cheers.
Wait lang, Insan. Ano yung motto natin, Insan?
Cheers.
We don't chase anymore. We attract. Sarap guys, ang sarap ng tubig nila dito.
Vlogger na ba to?
Oo, bagay yan.
Again ba vlogger?
Again ba vlogger? Sino ba si vlogger ka dyan?
Hanggang gabi.
Subscribe ka sa Subscribe ka to
Yan ang sinasabi ko sa iyo.
It was not meant to be a fairy tale with a happy end. Girl, you take care now.
So, andito tayo sa my order room. Yun. So, ito yung lugar ng mga Pinoy. Usually, pag Sunday, makikita mo lahat yung mga ate natin dito.
Mga kabayan.
Ng mga kabayan.
Mga Ilocano, Ilonggo, halo-halo.
Yeah, so kuha lang tayo ng IG photos dito sa may Ion. And then, punta tayo ng Orchard Library. Yun.
I hope we can be friends. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
We are on the city bus tour na, mga Juan. So, this will be our last trip siguro may araw. And later on, pupunta tayo ng Orchard at bibili tayo ng pasalubong. First time ko lang customer lang eh. Ha? First time ko. First time yarn?
First time yun. First time ko dito eh.
First time yarn.
Pilgrim
Trip in Singapore.
Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Oh, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time. I'm not broken, not broken, not broken.
Ano, kaya pa?
Yan kaya. Maganda.
So how was the city bus tour?
Wala akong masabi kundi wow kasi yung city bus tour yun, kahit isang oras lang yun, feeling ko nalibot ka yung buong Singapore. And pinakita niya yung mga different places dito sa Singapore kung saan yung mga attractions. Like for example, yung Marina Bay Sands, yung Chinatown, yung People's Park. So this experience is very worth it kasi dito mo masabi talaga na literal na I love Singapore. Sobrang linis niya guys, sobrang linis, sobrang breathtaking yung mga views. Kasi ang ganda rin ng view namin kasi nakarelax kami sa double deck na bus.
Kaya sinadya ko talaga na i-huli yun para at least kahit hindi mo man malibot yung buong Singapore, meron kang idea ano yung sura ng Singapore.
And isang nakuha ko, mga Juan, sabi kasi namin before na malinis ng Singapore. And with the city bus tour and experience ko kaya, sobrang linis talaga ng Singapore. Wala akong masabi, especially those motorists. Sobrang disiplinado nila guys kasi whenever they're driving sa stoplight, talagang nag-stop sila sa linya, hindi sila sumusobra dun sa linya na kung saan dumataan yung mga pedestrian. So, sobrang ganda. Sobrang worth it yung experience nila.
Ayun, punta nga tayo ng hotel. And then, continue natin yung episode. So, guys, keep on watching.
How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone?
Aftermath.
So much. After a long day.
After a long day.
of navigating. Exploring Singapore. I'm going home to the place where I belong.
Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
So, ayun, papatry natin kay Insan yung request niyang laksa, Singapore laksa. Sarap yarn. Oh, boss.
PR 508.
Oh, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two.
We don't chase anymore. We attract goals. Ito yung mga katagang hindi ko talaga makakalimutan sa Singapore trip na to with insan lodicakes. Isa to sa realization ko lately. Piliin mong umusad. Kung ano yung nangyari, nangyari na. Hindi na natin maibabalik ang panahon para baguhin ang lahat. Ang pwede lang natin gawin ay umusad. You don't deserve the pain, but remember that your heart still deserves healing too. Give your heart what it truly deserves and protect it at all cost. Maikli lang ang buhay. Piliin mong maging masaya. Yo, and that's our episode 3. So, dito na magtatapos ang ating 3 episodes on Insan Singapore trip.
So yun na nga, dito na nagtatapos yung adventure natin dito sa Singapore. So wala akong masabi, basta I'm so blessed and I'm so grateful kasi na-experience ko yung Singapore na to na Pinano pa namin actually last year pero hindi natuloy-tuloy, pero ngayon natuloy na, so na-experience ko na yung Singapore. Dati pinapangarap ko lang mapuntahan tong Singapore, nakikita ko lang yung mga picture ng MBS, Merlion, and yung Universal Studios na sobrang na-enjoy ko, pero ngayon napuntahan ko na. So special thanks to my pinsan, Nomadic Juan, na kung wala siya dito, hindi ko ma-experience tong Singapore na to, hindi ko mapupuntahan ang lahat ng mga magandang tourist spots dito sa Singapore. So Insan, Nomadic Juan, salamat.
Welcome, Insan. So
And-
next time ulit, sana next time sa ibang country naman,
Yeah.
if God permits. So
Set natin yan.
Insan, sa Singapore experience mo, saan yung pinaka-the best?
Universal Studio.
Ayun.
And Universal Studio, and most especially second, yung Marina Bay Sands, na talagang yun yung pinunta ko dito.
Kasi
Picture lang dati, pero ngayon na-experience ko na mag-check-in doon, so it was a wonderful experience. And ito yung pinaka-highlights ng bakasyon ko sa Pilipinas, and before going back to work, at least na-experience ko yung Singapore. So 2 thumbs up.
yun. Kasi di ba, yun talaga yung pinunta mo dito.
Yeah.
Marina Bay Sands. So at least, di ba, na-check mo na. Akala natin dati hindi na matutuloy, di ba?
So that only proves na may right timing lahat ng bagay.
Yes!
You just have to work on it, dream on it, and work on it.
Yun! So, di ba? I'm your Nomadic One, ang yung Hugot Travel Bay na may puso. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa channel ko, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para naman update ko sa mga bagong videos ko. So, guys, lagi niyong tandaan, maikli lang buhay, piliin niyong maging masaya. And
We don't chase anymore. We attract.
yun! So, hanggang dito na lang mga Juan, tatapusin na namin tong vlog na to. And see you again on our next vlog. I am thankful for this Singapore trip kasi I have the chance to rediscover Singapore before moving on to a new chapter. This will not be the end. Onward to a great new chapter in epic adventures. Insan.
Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.